Hello everyone, welcome back to Health Options 101, your trusted source for tips on health, wellness, and living your best life. Let's be real, staying focused and productive can feel like an uphill battle some days. But what if I told you there are simple hacks that can help you zone in and get things done? Stick around, because these tips could transform how you work and live. Let's dive in. Hack number 1. Start with a clear workspace. Cluttered space, cluttered mind. A messy environment makes it harder to focus. Take 5 minutes before starting your day to tidy up your desk. It's amazing how much mental clarity you gain when your surroundings are clean and organized. Hack number 2. Use the Pomodoro technique. Feeling overwhelmed by a long to-do list? Break your tasks into 25-minute chunks, followed by a 5-minute break. This technique is called the Pomodoro technique. It keeps your brain sharp and prevents burnout. It's a productivity lifesaver. Hack number 3. Prioritize the hard stuff. First, we all have that one task we dread. Tackle it first thing in the morning when your energy and focus are at their peak. Once it's out of the way, the rest of your day will feel lighter and way more productive. Hack number 4. Limit digital distractions. Your phone might be your biggest enemy when it comes to focus. Turn off non-essential notifications, or better yet, put your phone in another room while you work. Apps like Focus Mode or Forest can also help you stay on track. Hack number 5. Fuel your brain. What you eat affects your focus. Swap sugary snacks for brain-boosting foods like nuts, berries, and dark chocolate. And don't forget to hydrate. Sometimes all you need is a glass of water to get back on track. Focus and productivity aren't about working harder, they're about working smarter. These small hacks, as well as practicing consistency, can make a huge difference in your day-to-day life. At Health Options 101, we're all about helping you live more intentionally. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to up their productivity game. Your time is precious. Make it count. Thanks for watching, and here's to staying focused and crushing your goals. See you next time and have a great day ahead.